Unfortunately, I broke one of the clips here in the bottom where it attaches to the panel while I was trying to install it back in. So I need to get that replaced after you remove all the other pins from the top here. So I'll go ahead and get this replaced. So I'll be replacing it with this part 293730080, which is what they call a dart pin. I got this from the dealership for only about 84 cents, and this is what it looks like. And that's what I'll be replacing this part right here with. Just like that. Should be able to come on. So all we have to do at this point is just put the new one in there, push it in. And you use two hands. Let me get this. And there it is. You have the new one in there. You should be able to put your panel back on. Now that I was able to push it back in, I can put the whole panel back where it was.